You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They look similar. You may think they're pronounced quite similarly, but no, they have a different pronunciation. They're not homophones. They're not pronounced exactly the same way. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. Father is how you pronounce the top word, meaning to go far and beyond. In British English, father, father. Or in American English, the pronunciation is quite similar, farther. Okay. The bottom word is further, further. So it's a sound, not an sound. Father is the top word, further is the bottom word, or in American English, further. Father, top word, further. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.